Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and replace back glass on your Galaxy S9. As you can see on right here, it's really easy. All you need to just heat it up, the back cover glass, really well. Remember, your fingerprint's still attached to the body, so be careful, don't rip it. Start from one of the corners. I usually use a knife or something to start from one of the corners, just to peel it off a little bit. Just to start. Use a lot of heat if you need to. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. Heat it up really well. When it's hot, it's coming off pretty easy. Okay, here it is, it's coming off. The most adhesive is in the bottom right here. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. And as you can see, it was connected right here. It already disconnected when I pulled it up. Okay, here it is. Once you remove this stuff, you'll need to heat it up, this stuff, like just heat it up around here, and then remove this home button and glass, and then install it into your new one and stick it back in all the way, just like you did just like it's supposed to be, this way, just like the old glass, piece of glass. I don't think there's still available glasses yet, so I'm not sure if you can find one right now. At this point, the phone is too new, just came out. Thanks for watching, bye bye.